What are we doing, Xander?
Standing around looking pretty.
That's it.
So we've got everything assembled with a new
Look,
fuel pump.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Right, exactly. Now, show them, boys and girls. Show them what the other one was like.
That's not what it's supposed to be.
That's looser than a $5 whore in a $10 church.
He's not out here.
Yeah, that's really bad. So,
Burned his mom after a long night of margarita.
Xander just finished building all of this, got it all taken care of, so we're good to go.
Yay, that part's
And of
ready.
course, we always get extra parts, you know, because it's multiple applications for the exact same setup.
Or you did it wrong.
No.
I mean, if you can manage to use that, then.
This one doesn't come with O-rings. It's a flat gasket with a piece of metal. But I'm sure you knew that, so you're just testing us, right?
Playing with your testes? All three of them?
Yes, all three of them. So we're all set and ready to go. Of course, we're not putting that in until we get the new tank here, but we wanted to get everything prepped and ready to go so that when it comes in, it's just drop, and be done.
Drop, be done.
Yep, drop, and be done.
Okay, Dave.
Look at that hole. It's so dirty. It's just got to be washed. It's scathing.
Yeah, when we pull the tank, there's one of the bolts for around here, somewhere down in there. It's not in the tank, it's somewhere around it.
Oh yeah, no,
Of course,
that
it didn't fall on the ground.
of course. Why would you expect it to fall on the ground and make it usable?
Why would you expect it to go somewhere that's easy?
Exactly.
Right? Exactly. So, okay, with that, I'm going back to my door and putting in my clippy so we can have all locks and door handles working. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what do we say?
I'm tired.
What do we say?
I'm tired, and my tummy hurts.
Aww.